I've been wanting to do vlogs for so long. Your first 100 videos are gonna absolutely suck. That's what I want. I just want to build a habit for this couple months. There's a month of school left. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Slice off that. This is gonna be the worst box ever, but again, that is good because it's only up from here. I can't do any worse than this. Gordon Ramsay would hate this right now, but Gordon Ramsay is not here. Quick little interjection. I already learned how to cut these sweet potatoes so much better. I experimented once and just watched a tutorial on the next one, and boom, I know how to cut sweet potatoes now. A new skill achieved. Perfectly diced. Actually though, absolutely guys, it smells, guys. I wish these cameras could record smells, but that smells.
All right, let's see. That's gas, actually.
And there you go, easiest meal prep ever. When you're cooking, right, the biggest obstacle is literally just getting off of your lazy ass and just getting to work. I've been procrastinating on cooking this chili. I honestly love the food. I've been procrastinating on this for like 2-3 weeks. It's so bad. Why do I want to do this? First of all, right, this video is the worst possible video I'll ever make in my life, right? It's only up from here. My hair is disheveled. I look disgusting. I have no idea where I'm even going with this video, but I have an urge to keep on trying to improve. Not video creating has been making me unhappy. Now that I'm getting over the fear slowly, like if I post for a week, I will be completely immune to what people think about me. After that, I can start honing in on what am I actually providing to people? Because right now I'm doing this for selfish reasons. I'm just trying to make myself feel less.
Honestly, keep one finger, middle finger on this.
Yeah.
And then the index.
There are very valid economic reasons to get this done. For one, if I can balance everything else in my life right now, even though I feel so stupid for vlogging and content creating, I know eventually my message right now is important. Come on. All I'm trying to do is just get better at expressing myself in a way that's interesting for other people. But the people I can learn from the best are also doing this. It's just putting myself out of my comfort zone. That's all I'm trying to do. That's all I've ever done. And this is just the next progression. I've told way too many people, I'm gonna content create, I'm gonna vlog. Well, it's time. It is time. And either way, it's not like I'm wasting my time. The rest of my time will be grinding. Like right now. Grind has been completed for today at least. Yeah, I have been reflecting a lot on what I want to do with this. For now, it's literally just discovering my style. I have 1 month left. It's a very unique social opportunity. I will make the most of it. I don't care about doing a daily vlog. As long as I am constantly improving my style, getting better at expressing what's on my mind in an interesting way that gets people's attention, that's all that matters. I don't need to get millions of views immediately. It will happen, I have no doubt. But slow and steady wins the race.